Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be installing these hood lifts. They're for the 10th gen Civic. A vendor on Amazon sent me these to try out, asked me to make a video. Got all the hardware and instructions, so let's go. So we've got the hood open. I'm guessing they mount to these holes right here. And there's one over here. I'm not sure how it's going to work with the Group M intake. I'll probably have to take off this cover here to see if it'll fit. Let's first take off the fender covers, just in case. I'll remove the little pin. Looks like for up here you're going to take one of these. Alright, I think it's in. Just gotta tighten everything down. To remove the OEM hood prop, you basically just snake it out. Just twist it, and then it'll pop right out. Okay, so for the first time I basically pressed down right behind the bracket, and it kind of activated the little shock, and I think it broke it in a sense. See if it will interfere with the Group M intake. Yeah, it's gonna touch. So these will not work with the Group M intake. It'll work with any other intake since they all end right here. If you guys are running an aftermarket hood, like fiberglass or carbon fiber, and you want to run these hood lifts, just make sure when you're closing it to kind of grab it from both sides like this and get it started. The product is great. I just wish they would have fit with the Group M intake. Of course, if you're running the fender vent covers, you could just modify it. I mean, you just gotta Dremel a little square where that hole is. Dang, I really like these, so I'm gonna try to figure out a way to see if I can make it work. Maybe bolt it up to a different hole. I'll put the intake back on and see if I can get it to work. Okay, so I got it to work with just the one. Here's what I did. I put the bracket for the driver's side over here. I used a step-up drill bit to enlarge this hole, and then I attached the lift. Then I connected it here to the hood, so it'd be more, I guess, more stable when I'm pressing it downwards. It's pushing the force against that bracket instead of just this little corner right here. And then I reinstalled the Group M stuff, and so when I close the hood, I'll just be real gentle with it. Close it fine. And when opening the hood, I'll make sure to lift it up all the way, and let it go from there.